Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the CARSUN C1399-1 Tire Inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. The CARSUN Tire Inflator is equipped with a large, high-precision, and high-brightness display to help you check the tire pressure and preset the tire pressure values. CARSUN air compressor pump has a 10-foot power cord and inflatable adapters, allowing to reach all tires of your car, bike, motor, ATV, compact or mid-size sedan, SUV, air mattress, inflatable boats, balls, and other inflatables. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CARSUN C1399-1 quick connector, user manual, air nozzles. Product description: LED light, buttons, screen, start, stop work, air tube, accessories, storage, DC 12-volt cigarette lighter power cord. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.